For those of us with lots of carpet around the home, and especially those of us with furry friends, sometimes we need a little extra help to keep carpets clean. Our carpets certainly go through a lot, and whether it's a quick clean-up or a whole house clean, the AiroBrush is the perfect tool for giving your carpets a new lease of life. Powered by Henry's Airflow, the rotating brush easily picks up stubborn dust, dirt and pet hairs, leaving lovely, clean carpets in its tracks. Henry's always been powerful, but with the AiroBrush on hand, he's taking carpet cleaning to the next level. The AiroBrush will fit any Henry or Hetty. For the best cleaning results, look for the Henry logo to ensure you're getting a genuine Henry accessory.